Look, this is how fast they can get in, and we have the solution to prevent this. AXA door security strips. The strips are made from high quality aluminium, making them rust-proof. We have strips for both front and back doors. They are easily cut to size. Moreover, they can be installed by using ordinary screws, not with those one-way security screws, which cannot be unscrewed again. And this is handy when you are repainting the door. The screws are always concealed and therefore cannot be accessed. Front and back doors. Easily cut to size. No one-way security screws. Prevent a burglary. Don't fall for sham security. Opt for AXA door security strips. And don't forget, always lock your doors and windows, even if you are only going out for a short while.